Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Today we are going to discuss about new chapter, that is reflection of light. Which chapter we are going to discuss here? That is reflection of light. See student, what is meant by reflection of light? Before starting the chapter, we'll have to know what is meant by reflection and what is meant by light. You know very well, light is nothing but the form of energy due to which we are able to see the object which are situated around us. Whatever the thing is around us, it doesn't matter whatever the thing is. It matters only when you are able to see those things whenever light is there. If there is a light, there is an object. इजेंट इट? ऐसे ही बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, या फिर ऐसे बोलते हैं अगर लाइट नहीं है तो भी आप बोल देते हो क्या कि चलो भाई वहाँ पे लाइट नहीं है, इसका मतलब वहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट रखा होगा. लाइक दैट तो वी नेवर यूज टू से. वी ऑलवेज यूज टू सी दैट कि वेन एवर ऑब्जेक्ट इज देयर, देयर बाई लाइट इज नेसेसरी टू सी द ऑब्जेक्ट. इफ लाइट इज देयर, देन आफ्टर वी आर एबल टू सी द ऑब्जेक्ट. इफ लाइट नो लाइट इज देयर, वी आर अनएबल टू सी द ऑब्जेक्ट. हाउ आर यू एबल टू सी द ऑब्जेक्ट विदाउट लाइट? इज इट पॉसिबल? इफ इट इज लाइक दैट, देन यू आर बिकम उल्लू, आउल. पता है ना, वो रात में बिना अंधेरे के देख सकता है, वो तो हो क्या नहीं ना. सोच समझ के उत्तर देते जाओ. नहीं तो मैंने एक बार क्लास में से पूछ लिया था कि हम लोगों को लाइट नहीं है तो दिखाई नहीं देता है, तो वो बच्चा बोले नहीं से दिखाई देता है. मैं कैसे? बोले रात में दिखाई देता है. मैं क्या उल्लू है क्या? तो बोले मतलब उसको अजीब लगा. तो सही है ना, सिर्फ वो एकमात्र ऐसा प्राणी मतलब पक्षी है जो रात में देख सकता है, क्लियरली देख सकता है, उल्लू. सो इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट ना. वी ऑलवेज सेड कि ए उल्लू, बट उल्लू भी तो रात में देख सकते हैं. सी द प्रॉपर्टी. लेट इट बी स्टूडेंट्स. लाइट इज द फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी ड्यू टू विच वी आर एबल टू सी द ऑब्जेक्ट विच आर सिचुएटेड अराउंड अस. वॉट एवर ऑब्जेक्ट इज देयर, इवन दो बकेट, पेन, पेंसिल, खोड, रबर, इरेजर, शार्पनर, शार्क, snake, whatever, tarantula, all the things, whatever the things are there, we are able to see just because of light. In that light, reflection word came. What is meant by reflection? In previous class you have studied what is meant by reflection. Bouncing back of light. If object is there, light fall on the object, turn back with the same path, is known as reflection. And if object is there, light fall on the object, penetrate the object and passes through other side, is known as refraction. What is meant by reflection and what is meant by refraction? See beta, what is meant by reflection? Reflection is nothing but the bouncing back from same path. See, if you consider here one path, here it's second, here it becomes third, here it becomes 1, here it becomes 2, here it becomes 3. When light turn back with the same path, bouncing back of light, bouncing back. विराट रैना होता है ना, सुरेश कोहली, विराट रैना, महेंद्र सिंह गेल, ये सब लोग जब बैटिंग बॉलिंग करते, सॉरी बैटिंग और बॉलिंग करते हैं, that time we'll able to see when they throw the ball, that time it will be take a bounce and from there it turn back. Like that only we see here. Bouncing back of light is known as reflection of light, isn't it beta? Next thing, I know मेरे क्रिकेटर के नाम को आप करेक्ट करोगे, कर देना, ठीक है. मेरे को सच में बोलो ना तो मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन हमेशा होता रहता है. सो लेट इट बी रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट एंड रिफ्रैक्शन. व्हाट इज मीन बाय रिफ्रैक्शन? व्हेन लाइट फॉल ऑन द ऑब्जेक्ट, टर्न बैक इट्स सेम पाथ, so that is reflection. कुछ भी बोलते हैं. Turn back or penetrate the object, passes through the other medium, is known as refraction of light. Okay beta, now see reflection of light. So bouncing back of light, in this chapter we are going to discuss about bouncing back of light, the phenomenon of bouncing back of light. So the bouncing back of light is known as reflection. Name of the chapter is reflection. So we know very well there are three type of media. Which one they are? Transparent, translucent and opaque. Where is my dust tool? No, sometimes no. If a person wanted to pronunciate, they were might be, if they just know that the things, so they used to pronunciate like that only. Let it be. What is meant by transparent? If light fall on object, penetrate the object and passes through the other medium, are known as transparent. When light pass through the medium, example glass, water, etc. What is meant by translucent? If light fall on the object, some amount get passed and max amount get reflect, is known as translucent. partially light pass through it. Example, muddy water, thin plastic, tissue paper. Sometimes if the person just little bit know about English, so we pronounce it as tissue paper. They say tissue paper, like that they used to speak. Okay, tissue paper. So here tissue paper is an example of translucent object. Okay, translucent media. See how it is translucent media. If we take the object in front of eyes and we are partially able to see the object, which are object that side only. We are taking here thin plastic, even that ground glass, even whatever the glasses are there. Okay, ground glass means what? The grills, window that you are having, no window glasses you are having, no, that I'm talking about that only. Now what is meant by opaque? Here to total light passes, here to partially light passes, and in this what exactly happen, beta? In this no light get pass, it get only reflect. Light do not pass through medium. Okay, examples like wood, then wall, then etc. What is meant by etc? End of thinking capacity, etc and etc, कुछ भी बोलते हैं. See, up now our name of chapter is reflection of light, which means we have to talk about this phenomenon, this one. Of course we are talking about this one, and if we are wanted to take any other, so we'll partially take this, because in this reflection happens, no, in this refraction happens. So that's the reason in next class lenses is there, for that you will keep it side. But in this class we'll have to study about reflection, that's the reason we'll take this. You know beta, plane mirror, what exactly happened? Reflection of refraction, of course reflection. So that only the reason we are taking here opaque medium or opaque body to explain these phenomena, these kind of phenomena. Before explaining this, we'll move further, that is type of mirror. From there we started, means our main chapter to started from there only, that is type of media or type of medium. But the important fact is that we have to study each and everything. That's the reason we are taking one by one only. See beta, mirror. So today we'll take just basic introductory of this chapter, mirror and its type. So we know there are two type of mirror. How many type of mirror? There are only two type of mirror. Which one they are? Someone said concave mirror, convex mirror. कुछ भी बोलते हैं. There are only two type of mirror. First is plane mirror. Another is spherical mirror. I'll take this first. I'll take it at first. Why so plane mirror I'm taking first? Because in textbook it is given, that's why I'm taking here. Okay, plane mirror. अब इसको हम लोग बाद में स्टडी करेंगे. स्पेरिकल मिरर को, स्पेरिकल मिरर के अगेन दो टाइप पढ़ते हैं, जैसा कि मैंने अभी कहा था, कॉनकेव एंड सेकेंड वन पड़ेगा कॉन्वेक्स. दोनों के भी नीचे मिरर कॉमन में. क्यों दो बार लिखना, एक ही बार. लेट इट, इसको साइड में रख दो अभी फिलहाल के लिए. विल टेक दिस प्लेन मिरर ओनली. प्लेन मिरर, Otto von Guericke, the name of scientist mentioned in your notebook as well. Otto von Guericke, the name of the scientist who have invented this plane mirror first. See, what is meant by plane mirror? ये प्लेन मिरर क्या होता है? ये वन जो हमारे घर में ड्रेसिंग के लिए टेबल के ऊपर जो हम लोग ड्रेसिंग मिरर यूज़ करते हैं, द ड्रेसिंग मिरर दैट वी आर यूजिंग एट आवर होम टू sustain ourselves or to maintain our face and all the things. So that mirror is an example of plane mirror. That is an example of plane mirror. How we see this? If we kept the object in front of the mirror, so it exactly look like an object only. See, this is what the person who's standing in front of the mirror like that, because I'm a physics teacher, that's the reason I know that much of painting and drawing and all. So this is what the next you are getting image here. Exactly, okay, like that. I know कि exactly तो नहीं है, but ठीक है, थोड़ा थोड़ा आ गया होगा. So this is what exactly the image you got here. Whatever the position is there, that only you got here. Plane mirror means what? When the light fall on the surface and turn back with the same path without deflecting itself. Without deflecting means what? If light came from here only, so by the same path they goes back. That's the reason. And in plane mirror only we'll able to see ourselves in laterally inverted vision. What is meant by laterally inverted? If we raise our right hand, inside mirror also this one hand is raised, but as we see, if we are standing in front of each other, we are raising right hand, so the person who next to us has to be raise his left hand. But in mirror what exactly happen? We'll rise right, so in mirror also done the same. Because of that only we said here, that is mirror is means this kind of a mirror shows you perfect reflection, or a special type of reflection we can say. Second important thing is there, how the mirror is made. You know, we are studying ki mirror, but we don't know how it is exactly made. So for that, what exactly do beta? They used to take first of all ground glass. What is meant by ground glass? The glass that you have see for the windshield, no, windshield of your car and all the things. So that glass they will took first. So first of all they'll took the glass, like that glass will took. Afterwards what they exactly do, they covered this back portion with a silver color. They spray the silver color on it. Silver color. Why so silver color? Because more the polished surface, more the reflection. More the reflection, clear the image. Okay. See, why so they have used in polished surface only? Because polished surface has ability to reflect all the light. Have you seen the color of mirror? If you've seen the color of mirror, you will definitely know that the color of mirror is silver in nature. Why so silver in nature? Because we are able to see, na, if silver color is there, which means there is a more reflection. If there is a more reflection, which means we are able to get the clear image. And in that, in our home, if we are using special kind of a mirror, in market we'll see, na, if we stand in front of the mirror, we'll look little bit fat, little bit heighty, means smaller person looks so much heighty, so much heighty looks smaller one, like that we get now. So like that special mirror if we use at our home, so then how it is worth it? It don't worth it, na. We wanted to see our face and in that face is like this much only. How it is possible? No, it is not possible. That only the reason what we are taking beta. Plain mirror will polish it, will spray the silver color or silver coat on it. Very thin layer of silver color is there, very much thin, very much. That much thin, no? Have you seen that काजू कतली आपने लिया होगा, बहुत लोगों की फेवरेट भी होगी शायद, मेरे को क्या मालूम, हो भी सकती है, नहीं भी हो सकती, होगी तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है, और नहीं भी हो तो भी क्या प्रॉब्लम है, जिसका उसको, मेरे को क्या। सी, काजू कतली के ऊपर जो सिल्वर का वर्क आता है, जिसको हम लोग सिल्वर वर्क बोलते हैं, दैट thin plastic is thin, very much thin, like our hair, like it is that much thin it is. So that much thin structure is there, no, that only that much of plain coating is present on it. Same present thing over there. So because of that, what we'll see this beta. So because of that, we are able to see that is this coating do not get affected, because if it is get affected, so ground glass become open. If ground glass become open, light passes through it. If light passes through it, we are unable to see our face. That's the reason what we are used to do is we'll again apply some coat that is made by graphite. We'll do another graphite coat on it to prevent the silver layer from any outer injuries. So from there only we protect it. So because of that only, if you open the mirror and tilt it into means if you see backside of it, so it is not look like a silver one. It look like a blackish one, brownish one. Why so? Because tin lid has to be applied on the surface of the glass, and because of that only it look like that. Okay, children. So this is all about plane mirror. So what we have studied in this chapter, that is type of mirror, spherical mirror and plane mirror. Spherical parted into two, that is concave, convex. Plane has single one. Otto von Guericke, the name of scientist is Otto von Guericke, who has invented this one, that is spherical mirror. And then afterwards we have started we have seen this three type of media as well: transparent, translucent and opaque. From there we have concluded this thing. I hope you enjoy this phenomenon. If you have any doubt regarding to anything, so don't forget to ask in the comment box which is given below. That is for you only. Second thing, subscribe the channel. Because of subscription you will get the notification whenever I'll upload the video. My 11th standard first video will be uploaded in this week only. Okay, 11th standard physics first chapter unit measurement and dimension, that first video module will be going to be uploaded soon. So to get that notification, if you wanted to see that, so that also you will able to see, because it is worth it for you. So just go and check it away. Okay beta. So if you have a doubt, so don't forget to ask in the comment box. Second important thing, whatever mistake I have done regarding to that cricketer's name, I know that I but I don't know that exactly what is, so let me know in comment box. Okay, so thanks for the watching. Thank you.